Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, I'm going to give you 10, make it 10.5 reasons why encapsulation makes sense for your business. Stick around to find out more. So let's talk about 10 reasons, 10 and a half reasons why encapsulation makes awesome sense for your commercial carpet cleaning business or even your residential carpet cleaning business. So let's start off with number one, quick drying time. Now we know that encapsulation is a low moisture method. You're going to clean about 300 square feet per gallon of ready to use solution. You're going to put it out very lightly, and in spray applications, for example, if you're using an orbital machine that's spraying the solution, it'll be beyond 300 square feet per gallon. If you're using a cylindrical brush, it may go that high as well. So you're using very little moisture, so you're going to have quick drying time, reduces downtime. So that's a big factor. A big plus is the quick drying time, low moisture. Second reason, effective soil removal. Now, encapsulation works like this. The polymer holds soil in suspension, it traps the soil, and as the solution dries in that solution, the soil is there, it's encapsulated in that liquid. The fiber is flexible, and as it breaks away from the fiber, shears away from the fiber during the normal routine of post-vacuuming, that soil will be extracted from the carpet. So it's an efficient way to remove soil from the carpet. Number three, carpets can be put back into service quickly. Again, because it's low moisture, we're able to clean carpets with limited downtime. The equipment that's brought in is very simplistic by comparison, for example, to truck mount cleaning. We don't have to leave doors open. So that low moisture aspect and the simplicity of it, we're able to put carpets back in service very quickly with limited downtime. And of course, introducing less moisture to the building also has advantages as well. Number four, we have longer lasting cleaning. In other words, the soil resistant properties of Release It leaves the carpet in a very soil resistant condition that won't attract soil. There's no residue that's going to attract soil. It will actually resist resoiling. So the soil resistant properties of Release It leaves carpet in a condition that it's going to stay clean longer. So that's a big plus for your customers. And if you're the building owner, you're definitely going to benefit from carpets that stay clean looking for an extended period of time. Number five, it's environmentally friendly. Compared to other methods that use a lot of water, hundreds of gallons to clean a small area, in fact, at times we're cleaning, again, 300 square feet per gallon of ready-to-use detergent, as we mentioned a moment ago. So we're using very little water, and we're not producing wastewater in the process. We're just going to vacuum dry soil out of the carpet that comes out during the normal routine of vacuuming. So there's a much lower impact on the environment. So it's a very environmentally friendly system. We're not burning a gasoline engine in the parking lot. We're simply plugging something into the wall with electricity, cleaning the carpet with our machine. So again, less impact on the environment by a large measure, much more environmentally friendly. Number six, it's cost effective. Encapsulation has very high production rates. 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour is typical. So with higher production rates, our cost goes down, labor cost goes down, efficiency goes up, profitability goes up. But that cost variable and profit variable is very accentuated on the side when it comes to encapsulation. By comparison, hot water extraction cleaning, you might start off cleaning as much as 700 square feet per hour, maybe max out at 1,000 square feet per hour, but then productivity is going to fall off because there's only so much that you can push a wand. You're going to wear out your operator, your technician. Encapsulation cleaning, by comparison, you can go all day at 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, and in some cases even exceed that rate. So again, cost effectiveness and profitability is certainly on the side of encapsulation cleaning. Number seven, it's versatile for different types of carpet. Now, primarily encapsulation finds its home on the commercial side of things. We're also finding many applications where it can be used for residential carpet cleaning. So we have residential carpet cleaners that love it, rug cleaners that are using encapsulation methods, and primarily commercial carpet cleaning. It's safe for all different types of carpet. It's effective on a broad range of carpet fibers. Number eight, minimal disruption. So what do we mean by minimal disruption? Well, again, we spoke a moment ago about the low moisture and the equipment that we're going to bring in. It's not going to impede the use of the building, and in fact, because we can flip the building quickly, we can put people back in quickly. Encapsulation cleaning dries as quickly as 30 minutes up to at a max of about 2 hours, that window depending on a lot of variables, humidity, HVAC system, and so forth. But that's a pretty quick turnaround time for drying, so it's very easy to quickly put a building back in service. So again, minimal disruption, and that's a selling point as you work with customers, that you're going to be able to get back on their carpets very quickly after encapsulation cleaning. Number 9, and of course this is a big one, improved appearance. Regular encapsulation cleaning maintains the carpet and keeps it at a very consistent appearance level, so carpets are going to look great day in, day out. We mentioned earlier, it will also extend the cleanings. It's going to stay clean longer. So you put that all together and you'll find that the appearance is optimal with a good encapsulation program, particularly when you're working with a product like Release It. And number 10, simplicity of maintenance. It's a very easy system to put together. You can train technicians to implement this system. It's not complicated. You don't need a PhD to do this. You simply mix your detergent, put it in the machine, and push it across the carpet. There are some nuances to doing it properly. You don't want to over apply the product. Low moisture is what we're talking about. So we're going to be conservative in how much we put down, and we want to get good agitation, so we're going to let the machine scrub the carpet thoroughly. But aside from that, it's really very simple. So the simplicity of it will make it something that's appealing. It doesn't take a lot to train new technicians, and it's safe for the carpet fiber as well. So in summary, encapsulation is a highly efficient way to maintain carpets, to keep them looking their best. It offers numerous advantages from a practicality standpoint, as well as from an environmental standpoint. So that's our top 10 list of reasons why encapsulation makes sense. Now here comes point 5. It'll make you happy. In other words, as you work with encapsulation, it will make sense in your business. It's a problem solver. It fixes problems that other methods leave on the table, like wicking, recurring spills, and so forth. So as a business owner, when you don't get callbacks, when you've got consistently satisfied customers, when you're seeing your profits go up as your carpets are staying clean longer, you as the business owner are going to remain happy. So point 5 is a big one. You'll be happier using encapsulation cleaning. But of course, put it all together. Encapsulation works hand in hand with hot water extraction. We're not minimizing hot water extraction, just emphasizing that encapsulation has many strong points that can benefit your business. And when used with occasional hot water extraction, if the carpet's loaded up with soil, you put it all together and you've got a top-notch commercial carpet cleaning program or residential carpet cleaning program for your customers. Anyways, that's what we're here to do here at Excellent Supply, is to help you max your Encap. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Give us your comments, thumbs up if you would, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.